Tim Hudson from KZ Alliance Tractor. I'm the parts manager here. Today we're going to be talking about our Landoll parts rebuild kits. So we've been a Landoll dealer since 1984, so we're one of the longest running Landoll dealers in the area. So today we've got different kits set out here, not all the parts, but some of them. The first one we're going to talk about is the Tillage rebuild kits. We've got the disc blade rebuild kits. Comes with all the disc blades and the bearings. Also the nuts for the disc gang axles, washers, everything you need to replace all the disc blades. On the Tillage, the disc blades start out at 20 inches. Right down to about 20 inches. We usually recommend you replace them around 17.5 or 18 inches, so you can get a good cut on the ground. The kit comes with the disc blades, the quarter blades, all the bearings, and then the next thing on the Tillage is the reel blade kits. So it comes with all the reel blades, the bolts, nuts. The reel blades start out at 4 inches. Usually we replace them between 2.5 or 3 inches. They set in here. When you start getting wear on the back side where they bolt on, it's time to replace them. It'll wear this tip off, and then they need to be replaced then. So. Also, when you replace the blades, it's a good time to replace the bearings. You can either get a bearing insert, or you can buy the complete bearing. It comes with the bearing, the holder, the lock collar, and it's also a good time to replace your holders. These get wore out in here and wobble around, so it's a good time to check those. So that kind of runs up the Tillage blades and the reel blades. The next kit is the VT tool. The VT tool, it comes with a 20-inch blade. Usually 19.5 to 20 inches is when we need to replace those. The kit comes with the blades, all the bearings. It comes with the insert bearing, or you can upgrade the package and go with the whole toggle bearings. So, yeah, we're outside now checking out a 876 Tillage. We're just walking around it, checking some of the things out. We found a broken eye here on the reel blade. We've got a piece here that'll fix that. It just slides over there, then you can weld around it. Really keeps that eye from breaking. That's a problem out here on the ends of most of these Tillages. So looks like the ears are getting worn on this. Looks like it needs new bearings on it. So that pretty much, this is getting close to need to be repaired. When your blades get worn here, it starts wearing the back of these eyes off, and they need to be replaced then. The blades need to be replaced. So on our walk around the Tillage, we come by this wing frame bolt here. This is a good thing to test here, or to check every year, a couple times during the season. These sometimes break. If there's any wear on them, you need to replace them. If this usually breaks when it's folded up going down the road, or it breaks before that, but when it's going down the road, the bolt will fall out, and you go to unfold your Tillage, the hydraulic cylinder will just buckle this frame. So need to replace that, or at least check it a couple times during the season. Our rebuild packages, either parts only or parts and labor. We've got packages both ways. We can work on it at the farm or in our shop. For all your parts and service needs, you need to call Alliance Tractor at KZ, Mattoon, Newton, or Vincennes.